And so now we have it here. If we look at our preview, we shouldn't see it, but we do see our written by Betty Davis on. And if we scroll up, we need to position this above the username in order to be able to use it as a substitution here. So I'll click the arrow next to fields and then rearrange. And then I'll drag this hidden item up to the very top. Now because the field is hidden, it makes sense to stick it at the very top so that we can use it in any field below it. It's just an easy rule of thumb so you don't have to think about exactly where to position it. I'll click Apply All Displays. And now let's go into the username and edit it to use the date substitution. So under Rewrite Results, we'll expand that and scroll down. We'll click Replacement Patterns and scroll down. And then we have this created item here. So we'll copy that and paste it into the text. And this should work. Let's click Apply All Displays and scroll down. And sure enough, here it is, written by Betty Davis on February 13th, 2013. We're good to go.